Hi everybody, this is Mr. McKee with SEC 150 Secure Communications. First assignment, before we get really into any in-depth cybersecurity stuff, we're going to set up a network that we can use to kind of like plan out our network and our security policies. Alright, so I've got Packet Tracer open. If you guys are new to Packet Tracer, which some of you guys might be, I'm going to have another video on how to set this up. I've actually got an installation executable file on Moodle, so you guys can go through that. Alright, but all you guys that already know how to do this, more or less, let's go ahead and set this up per the instructions. Okay, now the first lab, we're going to be setting up a network with one router, one switch, 4 workstations, a server, 1 access point, 2 wireless nodes, which those are wireless computers connected to that access point, 1 printer, 1 voice over IP device, and 1 firewall. Alright, so let's look at this. Alright, so probably let's do this first. I'm going to move this over. Alright, so I got the full screen to look at the packet tracer. Alright, so first thing we want to do is the bottom left, the toolbar down there. Let's see. You've got routers at the bottom, the very bottom left, switches. Don't worry about hubs, wireless devices. Got firewalls there. All right. So what we're going to do, and actually the network devices is already selected. If I go to in devices, that's all my computers, voice over IP, phones, stuff like that. The lightning bolt has all your connections. Okay. So let's actually start with the network devices. All right, so we need a router. Let's do a 1940. Click and drag that to the desktop. There's a router. We need a switch, 2960 switch. Click and drag that. Let's see, 4 workstations. Make those all just regular PCs. 1, 2, 3. And actually, let's make one a laptop. That'll be our wireless. All right, 1 server, which that's the server right there. Okay. Let's see, 1 access point. The access points are under network devices. Actually, I'm sorry, wireless devices. You can use this WRT 300N right there. All right. 2 wireless nodes. Okay, let's put 1 more computer. All right, let's do a computer and let's do another laptop for our wireless nodes. All right, printer, which is right here, generic printer. All right, voice over IP device. I'm going to pick a voice over IP phone right there, and 1 firewall, which the firewalls are right there. All right, there's firewall. Okay. Alright, so let's go ahead and network these together. Now, probably the easiest way to do this, I'm going to put a router. That's going to be my border router. Have a firewall inside of that. Have a switch connecting everybody together. Alright. Kind of like this. On my PCs. Printer up top, let's have a server. Alright, 2 laptops right there. IP phone, I'll go over here. Alright, so let's connect these together. Alright, click the lightning bolt. Alright, I'm going to do a straight through cable from the switch. Click on the switch, click on Fast Ethernet 1. Connect that to PC 1. Fast Ethernet 2 to PC2, Fast Ethernet 0 on PC2. All right. Get to 3. Let's do PC0 to 4. All right. We'll do a phone. That. All right, that's fine. Connect our printer together. Wireless access point. All right, let's hook up the server. All right, let's hook from the router. I'm sorry. Do this. Let's do this. From here. I guess it doesn't matter. Let's do this. Internet. There. Let's go from here to the router. All right. So good from the router and just make it look like it should look. Let's put the cloud out here for the internet. All right, there's our cloud. Hook that together to the router. All right, got to our cloud. Okay. All right, don't worry about for now. Don't worry about these two being red, little red circles, that's fine. Everything else is green. Okay, let's go ahead and hook our laptops up wirelessly. Click on the laptop. All right, it's hooked up there. All right, let's do this. All right, more than likely that's going to connect. All right, little dash lines, that shows that I have a wireless connection between laptop 1 and the wireless router. And just to show you guys what I did, in case this is the first time you've used Packet Tracer, all right, you click on laptop 1. This works just like a real computer, more or less. All right, looking at this computer though, this laptop, it's actually turned on that little yellow light. I turn it off first, and then this just simulates. Right now, it's got a wired Ethernet adapter in it, right there. All right, just drag that out down there. All right, it's empty. All right, here it is your Linksys WPC 300N wireless adapter. All right, click and drag that up. All right, that simulates having a wireless network card in the laptop. Turn it on. All right, it'll take a second. There you go, connected. Sometimes it takes a little bit. If you guys click the fast forward time right here, click that button, it speeds up the process of everything connecting. All right, and I'm going to put it on pause just for a second and be right back. Okay, pretty much this looks okay for now. Network diagram. The one thing you want to do though, this wireless router, if you click on this, it's going to bring up the GUI, and its IP address is 192.168.0.1. That's fine. DHCP server should be enabled. Okay, and then start IP address. This is the IP addresses that it's actually going to be given out. Okay, 192.168.0.100 up to like 149 right here. IP address range. What you want to do though, by default in Packet Tracer, all the IP addresses are set to static in the beginning. So go ahead and click on your PCs. I've already adjusted these. This is the way you guys will look more than likely. Just select DHCP, radio button, and it should dynamically assign you an IP address. Okay? Do that for all the PCs. I've already done this. Well, didn't do that one. Alright, just make sure all these work. Don't worry about anything past this, the ASA, the router, the cloud, any of that stuff. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about the IP phone. There's a couple of configurations I need to put in the switch for that, which is not a big deal. Alright. Let's check the laptops. Alright. It would be set to static. Just make sure everything works. Alright. If you guys notice, I hooked the server directly to the wireless router. That's fine because the wireless router has a built-in switch in it, which is right here. It's hooked into one of those interface ports, but that's fine. Alright, you could hook it there or you could hook it into the switch. The switch has 24 ports. Alright, so basically all I need is go to File, Save As, just save this as Lab1 and network diagram. Alright, just save that. I'll save it to the desktop. You guys save that, upload it to Moodle on the submission link, and that should be fine for now. We'll go through later on and actually configure this IP phone. We'll be doing the ASA, and matter of fact, we'll be doing a lot of Palo Alto firewalls too. Alright, and we'll configure the router. Alright, that's about it. I'll put some more information on there, especially you guys that are new to Packet Tracer. Don't get too worried about it right now. Basically what you're doing in this lab is just learning how to set everything up. Most everything you're going to do in this course using Packet Tracer is using the network devices right here at the bottom left of the screen, in devices, and your the lightning bolt has all your different connections. And if you mouse over these, like if I mouse over this one, it shows right down at the bottom center of the screen. Copper straight through cable, the dash line's a copper crossover, console cable is the kind of like aqua green, I guess, console, and then the gold orange colored is the fiber connection. Alright, so go ahead and save that, upload it to the submission link, you should be good to go. Alright, thanks for watching.